everyone, welcome to our main new launches. I'm Mehak.
Hi everyone, I'm Gurvandana. Welcome.
Hope you all are doing well. So guys, please ask your friends and everyone who's interested in what we have in store for you in May. Ask them to join. The more the merrier.
Guys, please send this to your friends. We have some really exciting products and some really nice new launches that I'm sure all of you would like.
Hi guys, a lot of people of you are saying hi, hello.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. We're just going to wait for 2 minutes
Kavalpreet.
for everyone to join. And guys, if you have any questions, please keep them coming. We will answer all your questions at the end once we're done showing you the products that we have for you. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Pavandeep.
So guys, since you know that summers are here now, literally, like it's very hot. और आप सबको पता है ऐसे skin बहुत dry हो रही है, सबकी tanning हो रही है, and like hair have really become a menace these days. जितनी humidity और सब कुछ हो रहा है. So I am very excited for these months' launches. What about you? What is your opinion?
I'm really excited and I actually personally resonate with a lot of them. मैं personally भी हमेशा से Oriflame products use करती हूँ, be it my hair care routine or my skin care routine, and I'm really excited about these launches.
So I guess hello to all, good evening, and all of you can say hi. So yes, we can see sunscreen and everything we will get. So guys, we're going to start now, and to start this we have all of you are aware हमने एक February में बहुत अच्छे hair care range launch की थी Geology के नाम से, and it was a hit. Everybody loved it, and we got a very good feedback on it from all our brand partners. So we have the Color Protect shampoo. I feel कि सबको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा क्योंकि I think इंडिया में mostly 50% और वो भी even more than that लोग अपने hair color करना prefer करते हैं. And everyone knows that because उसमें chemicals involved होते हैं, so your hair gets really damaged. So we have the Duology Color Protect shampoo. For the customers who have been using Duology, उसमें steps routines है. So this is part of step 1, which is your cleansing step. And it has it's a hair and scalp care shampoo which has vitamin E. एंड जैसा कि सबको पता है सब मानते हैं कि विटामिन ई में बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी मॉइस्चराइजिंग पावर्स होती हैं. एंड गाइज द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट इसमें वी क्लेम दैट इट गिव्स यू मोर लॉन्गेटिविटी ऑफ द कलर अप टू 7 weeks, which I feel is a very good claim to have. And it has 2 times more color protection. And Gurvandana, like as this we are a sustainable brand and we are very into taking care of the nature and everything. तो गाइज आप जैसा कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं जो इसकी बॉटल भी है दैट इज ऑल्सो 50% प्लास्टिक रिसाइकल्ड, एंड इन दिस इट इज सल्फेट फ्री विच आई फील इज वेरी गुड फॉर द हेयर. इट विल गिव योर हेयर लेस केमिकल्स एंड लेस डैमेज. What do you think about this product, Gurvandana?
I think, like I said, that मैं personally Oriflame products use करती हूँ. I've been coloring my hair since 2 years now. और एक चीज जो मैंने realize करी है, आप जितना कलर करते हो आपके बाल उतने ड्राई होते जाते हैं, रफ होते जाते हैं. You're putting more and more chemicals in your hair. According to that, it's very important for us to have a hair care routine that resonates with the cycle that we have. And that's why I'm really looking forward to this because it's going to protect my hair and at the same time keep the color intact. So I think it's a great combination.
So Gurvandana, what would you like to talk about next?
Well, summer is here. So I would like to talk about the new Jordani Gold CC cream with SPF 30 and UVA protection. So first of all, I love the packaging. As we all know that Jordani Gold is one of our luxury products.
It's our elite brand, and very elegant and very classy.
Yeah, and that's why I love the packaging because it speaks for itself, as you all can see. So basically, I think it's a great product for when you need to get ready quickly. It's a CC cream, so it has a tint to it. It's not too heavy on your skin, and since it has SPF 30, it also gives you protection from the sun because since summer is here, I mean, it's very important for your skin to have protection, and I think it's a great combination. It comes in 2 shades, light and medium.
We can just show it. So I have the medium shade and Gurvandana has the light shade. If you guys can see, It's very easy.
So this is the light one, I hope.
Yeah, and this is the medium one. And you know, the best part about is this, that it's a buildable coverage CC cream. And you know, it has Lumi CC pigments, Gurvanda, जिससे ना आप इसको कितना भी, like if I want like full coverage from my CC cream, so it won't feel like as if I've put 5 layers of foundation or you know CC cream on my face. So guys, इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी चीज ये है कि इसकी आप buildable coverage कर सकते हो, आपको कितनी भी चाहिए, but it will still feel weightless. Like it's gonna you know just dissolve easily, and I feel कि you know इसकी color correcting properties बहुत अच्छे हैं, and like Gurvanda said, if you have to get you know ready quickly, it will really help. Also, the best part is because a lot of consumers have become very conscious about you know what they are eating, putting on their skin. Guys, this is a vegan product, and you know it has it's on the packaging also. So in this, you know, it will help your skin look very youthful, radiant, and it has age-defying shield. And like आपकी स्किन पे wrinkles वगैरह हैं तो वो उसको कवर करेगा, पिगमेंटेशन है तो उसको कवर करेगा. So I feel this is an all in all very good product for all the makeup enthusiasts, you know, जिनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेकअप करना.
I mean, you're getting everything in one product.
Yes. And for those जिनको नहीं पता है, sun की 2 rays होती हैं, UVA and UVB, so उनसे protection is very important. And ये SPF 30 के साथ है और ये आपको UVA से भी protect करेगा. Then again, coming back to hair care and Geology, we have a really interesting product, which is the hair serum. And I would just like to show you how cute the bottle is. So guys, this is our hair serum, and इसमें there is, so this, like I said, again, the people who use Geology, they know that it is in steps and it's a routine. So this is the 3rd step, and you know, for like everyone applies serum of some brand once they shampoo their hair, and क्योंकि अब इतनी गर्मी हो गई and there's so much you know oiliness in the hair, and your hair are like so frizzy and like uncontrollable. So guys, this has you know keratin and oat lipids, and इसमें एक बहुत cool चीज है, you know, the oat lipids in this Gurvanda, वो help करते हैं. It has skin mimicking ingredients, और उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसे कि आप अपने स्कैल्प पे लगा लो, हेयर में लगा लो. सो लाइक यू नो फ्रॉम रूट टू टो इट गिव्स योर स्किन प्रॉपर लाइक हेयर प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्शन, एंड इट्स अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इफ आई शो यू द टेक्सचर ऑल्सो ऑफ इट, very easy, very lightweight.
Yeah.
If you can see the serum, it's a very jelly serum and so flowy that you know it'll just go in your hair, and you can just apply it if you want to you know like want more shinier, smoother hair. And also the best part about it that we claim कि इससे आपके split ends reduce होते हैं within 2 weeks. तो अगर आप अपने you know hair wash किए हुए आपने और आपके hair थोड़े damp wet हैं थोड़े से, so you can just take the serum and you can put it on your scalp and your head. It is from root to toe like we would say. So I feel कि Geology बहुत अच्छा range है और हमारे products उसके बहुत अच्छे चल रहे हैं. And like we have it in all our products. इसकी packaging पे again it's written and mentioned that it is silicone free, and the glass bottle is made from 25% recycled glass.
Wow.
And it also helps to reduce split ends like I just told you. So these are our new launches for May. If you guys have questions, you can write them. And I would also like to point out one thing and talk about it, जो मेरे को लगता नहीं बहुत लोगों को पता होगा. To purchase our products, you can visit the Oriflame India website. And there is an option of a VIP customer, so you necessarily do not have to approach a brand partner, or you know you don't want to get into the hassle of a very long process. आपको बहुत जल्दी कोई product चाहिए, just like you know हम normal Amazon वगैरह से मंगाते हैं. And इसमें you know Gurvanda, the best part is that we have a loyalty benefit for people who come and repurchase again and again, like a VIP customer. Every time you purchase, you will get a 10% off. And you know we give 10% off on the products, so you're getting good products with very you know quick ways to purchase. You can just log on to the website and you can just check out and you know order your products, and you will get them directly. You don't have to approach a third person, you don't have to go to anybody and wait for them to reply to you. Just a normal process of becoming a VIP customer. And there is always an option, once you want to become a brand partner to you know if you like our products too much, you can always convert into that. But until you don't want to do that and you just want to keep trying our products, you can become a VIP customer, which I feel not many people know. तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है. Also, what is the difference between hair serum and hair tonic? Hair tonic is something जो आप अपने hair में लगा के छोड़ देते हैं, and you know उसके बाद आप अपना hair wash वगैरह करते हैं. Serum is something जो आप hair wash करने के बाद अपने wet hair पे लगाएंगे, वो आपकी frizz control करता है, और वो आपके बहुत लोगों के ऐसे वो इलेक्ट्रिक्यूट से हेयर हो जाते हैं जब वो वॉश करके आते हैं, कोम करते हुए बहुत ऐसे फ्रिजी हेयर हो जाते हैं. जिन लोगों के कर्ली बाल होते हैं स्पेशली उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है अपने हेयर कंट्रोल करने में. सो अ हेयर सीरम इज समथिंग दैट यू यूज आफ्टर यू हैव शैम्पूड योर हेयर एंड इन योर वेट हेयर. For people who are asking about more products, perfumes, etc., you guys can visit the Oriflame India website. वहां पे आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. The difference between the hair serum and leave-in. The leave-in spray is like a 10-in-1 multi-benefit spray, जो आपके हेयर को नॉर्मल शाइन देगा और उनको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा अगर आप उसके आगे जाके अपने हेयर कर्ल करना चाहते हो, स्ट्रेट करना चाहते हो. सीरम इज समथिंग विच आपके स्कैल्प को भी प्रोटेक्ट करेगा एंड यू कैन पुट इट ऑन योर स्कैल्प. इट विल हेल्प. इट हैज केराटिन प्रोटीन, इट हैज ओट लिपिड्स, जिनमें बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्रॉपर्टीज हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट योर स्कैल्प एंड योर हेयर. एंड सीरम इज समथिंग विच विल हेल्प रिड्यूस योर स्प्लिट एंड्स और आपके हेयर क्यूटिकल्स को भी वो स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है. Is the CC cream for yes.
Yes.
I think since we have started relaunching Jordani Gold cosmetic products, all our products are for people with sensitive skin. We are adding skincare ingredients in our color cosmetics ताकि जिन लोगों की sensitive skin है वो ये सब products use कर सके. Any more questions?
Yeah, I think we have a question that should we buy a tonic or a serum? I think both.
I think both.
Yeah.
Both have different उन दोनों का काम अलग है एंड दोनों अलग अलग स्टेप रूटीन्स में आते हैं. जैसे हम अपने फेस में स्किन केयर करते हैं वैसे हेयर केयर के अलग अलग रूटीन्स होते हैं. तो आप टॉनिक और सीरम को कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते. दोनों के अपने अपने चीजें हैं. So I guess I don't see any more questions. Thank you everyone for joining, and for any more information you can always log on to our website or you can DM us, write on comments, and any questions you have we will answer.
Thank you
so
for
much,
joining, guys. Bye.